when we open the book of Philippians, chapter number 2 or verse number 5, lithi iBhayibheli mawubekini lo mqondo owawukhona na kuKristu Jesu. So if ngibuka one of imiqondo kuKristu Jesu was ukuyithoba. And I did the research ngavula uLuke chapter 23 verse number 34, where the Bible says ukuthi uJesu baba bathethelele ngokuba abakwazi abakwenzayo. By that time kwakunengelosi noma ingelosi ezayilindile nje ukuba uJesu akhulumiswe. But by the time, as much as he knew how godly he was, how much power he was carrying, but wayithoba ngoba ingelosi sayingabhubhisa umhlaba wonke. Wakhona umhlaba lo ovukayo uthi lo muso ongaka wanele bonke abayithobile. Ngoba by that time isilelezi lesesinye saseduze kwaJesu sayithoba sisele lo mzuzu omncane. And then lithi iBhayibheli wayeseJesu ekhuluma amazwi athi sukela namhlanje kuyakuba nawe eparadise. And then uPhilippians chapter 2 verse number 8 lithi kwathi esesimeni somuntu ngokwesimilo uJesu wayithoba kwaze kwaba sekufeni kwesiphambano. Sebemthuka abantu besho konke, but he humbled himself. Lithi iBhayibheli enoJohane uJohane efuna ukubhabhatisa uJesu noJesu efuna ukubhabhatisa uJohane. Kwakunenkonzo yokuthoba, because as much as nomunyazi ukuthi wena i-title or i-gift or i-position or i-mantle, but neither of them akwayifuna ukuba ngaphezulu ngoba lento okuyithoba ibalekile. Bekubiza ukuthi sibe nalowo mqondo okuyithoba, noma sazi ukuthi sifunde kangakanani, noma sazi ukuthi how much we are capable, or sazi ukuthi